Welcome to this video on how to use design thinking to improve your digital marketing strategies. If you're a digital marketer looking to improve your marketing strategies, design thinking can be a useful tool for you. In this video, we will explore how to use design thinking to improve your digital marketing strategies. First of all, what is design thinking? Design thinking is a creative problem-solving approach that focuses on user experience. It's based on deep understanding of user needs and creating innovative and sustainable solutions that meet those needs. Here's how you can use design thinking to improve your digital marketing strategies. Step 1. Understand your target audience. The first step is to understand who your customers are and what their needs and wants are. Create a user persona that represents your target audience and use it as a guide for your digital marketing strategy. Step 2. Define the problem. Identify the problem you want to solve with your digital marketing strategy. For example, you might want to increase traffic to your website or improve lead conversion. Step 3. Ideate solutions. Use brainstorming techniques to come up with innovative solutions to the identified problem. Involve your team and consider all ideas, even the ones that seem crazy. Step 4. Prototype. Create a prototype of the solution you've come up with and test it with your target audience. Use the feedback you receive to improve the prototype and create a final solution. Step 5. Implement the solution. Implement the solution you've created and monitor the results. Make further improvements if necessary. Here are some benefits of using design thinking to improve your digital marketing strategies. Focus on user experience. Design thinking helps you put user experience at the forefront, which can lead to more effective and satisfying solutions. Create innovative solutions. Design thinking helps you think outside the box and create innovative solutions that may not have been considered otherwise. Involve your team. Design thinking encourages collaboration and involvement from your team, which can lead to greater creativity and better solutions. Save time and money. Design thinking helps you identify the best solutions before investing time and money into their implementation. In summary, design thinking can be a useful tool for improving your digital marketing strategies. Understanding your target audience, defining the problem, ideating solutions, prototyping, and implementing the solution are the essential steps to using design thinking in your digital marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of business. Thank you for watching the video.